Hi, my name is Lobsang Wangdu. I'm with Wangdu.com. I'd like to show you how to make Bhatsa Marku. Bhatsa Marku is one of the Tibetan traditional food and widely eaten inside Tibet. So basically, Bhatsa means cooked dough and Marku means the butter juice. This is sweet dish, but we don't call it dessert. You can eat lunch or dinner. In Tibet, we don't make Bhatsa Marku very often because butter is quite expensive. In order to make the Bhatsa Marku, you need all these ingredients. I'm using white flour all-purpose and dry cheese and sugar and butter. Of course, you need the water to make the dough. This dry cheese normally, I don't know how you get it in the States, but I got this from Tibet. So this is, normally people say yak cheese. This is not really true. Yak is the male and then D is the female. So this is a D dry cheese. We call chushi. Also, I want to show you this butter. This butter actually came from Tibet. So I'm not going to cook right now because it's pretty old. So I just want to show you how it looked like. People call this is yak butter. There's no such thing as yak butter. This is D butter. We call it demar. Since I have the chushi, I'm going to make Bhatsa Marku with the chushi. Also, I will show you how to make it with Ramona cheese or Parmesan cheese. This dough I'm going to make pretty dry because you don't want the dough too soft because it's going to stick together. I use 1 cup of flour and 1/4 cup of water. Maybe it's really hard to knead, so I'm gonna just say put your hand in the water. I'm gonna do one more time. That will do it. I'm gonna make the shape of dough. So first you have to. This is pretty stiff still. So I'm going to make it long, like this kind of style. So you have to make pretty thin because you want to make really small dough. Now I'm making the dough shape basically like this. You just pinch like this, then put and roll over. Just like this. It's very simple. If you cannot pinch on your hand, then you can also cut. I'm going to show you how to cut small pieces. Basically, you have to do like this. You should cut a really small piece though. You don't want to cut it really big. This is a little too big, I think. If you cut like this, and it should be fine. This is the, and then you can cook it. I made dough shape. I made really stiff dough. Still, sticking a little bit. You just add tiny little bit, tiny pinch of flowers. That's all you have to do. Then just do it like this, so it won't stick together. Now water is boiling, so I'm gonna add the dough. Then you have to stir it and cook maybe 5 minutes. When the dough is coming top of the water, that means pretty much cooked. Basically, I'm gonna cook in 5 minutes, so make sure and cook it well. I finished cooking the dough, so I'm gonna get the water out of here, so we can put it back to the pot. 3 tablespoons of butter and sugar. Probably I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then I'm gonna add the chushi, dry cheese. So that's all. If you don't like to eat too much butter, just add the maybe 1 tablespoon of butter. That should do it. I like to eat more butter, so that's why I put in 3 tablespoons of butter. Looks good. This is I think, one of the best soup dish you can eat in Tibetan dish. Okay, this is good. Okay, now I'm making Bhatsa Marku with the Ramona cheese. I'm putting 2 tablespoons of butter, so I can mix well. Also, you can add sugar if you want it. This one I'm not going to add sugar, but I will add instead of the chura, I'm going to add Ramona cheese. This is the Ramona cheese. This is super like Italian style because it doesn't have the sugar. So if you want to add sugar, this should be tasty, man. You definitely have to try with the Ramona cheese. This tastes really good. This is the final result of Bhatsa Marku. So this is a very traditional Tibetan dish. If you want to try it, it's going to take you a little while to adjust it because taste is definitely really unique. So you may not like it because too much buttery or something like that. So just try it. Thank you for watching this video.